how high would I climb mountains if the mountains were you high? Oh, how far I'd scale the valleys if you graced the other side. Oh, how long have I chased rivers from lonely seas to where they rise against
1 mile. Ouch. All right. It says 1 mile.
1 mile?
1 mile. How you feeling? Beth.
Yeah, I got a picture.
Oh, nice. Oh! Unhappy. Unhappy.
I guess, you know, if one trips, it kind of holds the others up.
Yeah, well, then there was the edge and it was freaking out. And it's very narrow. Like if you're a hiker, it's hard to get off the side there. Oof, that's right in front of my face. Well, that's really dangerous because one could drag another one off and they could both get injured. And there's a reason they carry a gun. It's not for predators. It's if they get injured, they put them down. Two more miles. 2 more miles. 0.2. Nearly there. 0.2. Coming into Crabtree Meadow Ranger Station. With the creek crossing. All crossings will be dry. That's great. It's honestly hardly deep, so I'm just gonna walk right across, I think. Not worry about the... it's a little bit deeper than I thought. But I can still make it. Oh, jeez. That went well. I'll go over here then. Oh crap. Oop. Go ahead. Be careful. Remember, maintain 3 points of contact at all time before you move any other.
What?
Remember to maintain 3 points of contact at all time. Yeah. Nope, see, you just moved 2 at once. But at least you made it. Yeah, you were moving 2 at once, and that gives you less stability. How's it going? Boy, this does not look green this year.
Not look wet?
This does not look green this year. Okay, so today we hiked from Tindall Creek to Crabtree Meadow. We're at our campsite. We've already eaten dinner and getting ready to turn in for the night. And tomorrow we're going to be going to the Tarn above Guitar Lake and camping there for a night for acclimation, for rest, for summit prep. And that's a little over 1,000 feet gain. And so that's what we're going to be doing. Feeling pretty good. That's coughing issues have kind of subsided. We think we know what's causing it. My calves are feeling kind of tight for some reason. I'm not sure. Hopefully I'm not overworking them. But anyway, pretty good day. Made good time. Got to camp around 1:20. And we'll sleep in a little bit, hopefully, and head out tomorrow for one of our last couple nights.